Tamworth's Regional Skywalk is leveling up and improving. Here's the latest progress update from the 26th of February. Major earthworks are actively underway, with the old section of Endeavour Drive now completely removed. This extensive progress makes way for a brand new, much larger parking area. And check out the important work for the new underground power cabling, laying the essential underground foundations for the entire ambitious project. Two crucial new power poles have now been successfully installed, a crucial and necessary step in powering the future of this incredible lookout. This modern and advanced infrastructure will now support the entire future Skywalk experience. The sleek and modern new foot decking is currently taking shape, creating a safe and accessible path all the way up the mountain. This elevated path is going to be a serious fitness challenge for everyone. Each deliberate step brings you closer to that truly amazing view. The upward journey itself is increasingly becoming a significant part of the attraction. And here it is now, the true main event of this construction. The spectacular new lookout platform is truly the crown jewel of this entire project. It is thoughtfully designed to offer truly breathtaking, expansive panoramic views. From this stunning vantage point, you'll be able to see all of beautiful Tamworth. Just imagine watching the magical sunset from this incredible spot. The new Tamworth Regional Skywalk is officially almost here.